Hello students. So today's topic is polynomials, and in the polynomials we are going to learn identities. Okay, identities. Today I'm only talking about this identity a plus b plus c whole square, and I know you know other identities. If you want, I can brush up all of them once. So सबसे पहला identity you people did in your 8th grade, if I'm not wrong. A square plus 2ab plus b square. This was a plus b whole square, yeah? Then a minus b whole square was what? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Third one, a minus b into a plus b. What was that? A square minus b square. So identity number 1, 2, 3. Identity number 4 came the cubes. A plus b whole cube. We did squares in 8th. Now ninth you learned a plus b whole cube. What was that? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. You can also open it as a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Then the fifth one, a minus b whole cube. What was that? A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b, all negative signs. So let me just open it up again. 3a square b and plus 3ab square. The plus become minus, minus becomes plus. 4, 5. Now the sixth one was what? A cube plus b cube. What was that? A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. This was this. In the plus one, there is a negative sign here. Seventh identity was a cube minus b cube. What was that? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. I hope this is correct, all of them. Yeah, all are correct only. Cross check kar lena ek baar. If you find any mistake, let me know. Comment me, send it to me. Yeah, fine. Now, let's begin with the eighth identity over here. There are nine. Ninth one also will come up, but in the next video, I'll solve few special problems on that identity also. So, a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is just like your a plus b whole square wala. Isme a plus b c whole square, sorry, three terms ka square we have to do. So, it's a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. And I hope you all know how do we get these identities. We get these by multiplying. Yes, if I take a little space, I'll just shift it down, shift this one also down. How do you get them? Basically, that is by multiplication. Square means you're multiplying a thing with it again. So a into a square, like that. A into b is ab, a into c is ac. Then with b you do ba plus b square plus bc. Then you get c square plus ca plus cb. So from here you see a square, b square, c square you have. Yes, and ab and ba both are same thing, so you can write 2ab. AC and ca both are same thing, so you can say 2ac. And bc and cb, they both are same thing, so you can say 2bc. Fine, so you got it after multiplication. Now the thing, if they give you factorize it, or sometimes the question comes expand, meaning expansion ka question also. I'll take one. Let's say they give you expand 2x plus 3y plus 5z whole square. So what do you have to do? You have to just do what? 2x whole square meaning 4x square plus 3y whole square meaning 9y square. Or if you want, I'll write the step first so that there is no confusion. I'll write it like this. So 2x whole square, that is, this is your a, this is your b, this is your c. So a square plus 3y whole square, which is your b square, plus 5z whole square, which is your c square. Okay, then 2 into a into b. Yeah, then I'll say what? Plus 2 into b into c plus 2 into c into a. So what will be my final answer? 4x square 9y square plus 25z square plus 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30yz, and 10 to 20xz. That's your expansion of this. So the question comes expand or evaluate. This is simple using the identity, you just applied it. Okay. Now things come. when they say factorize it. Okay, so if you have some expression like this, you can read it out and you need to factorize it. Let me just shift these a little below so that we can solve the questions with more space. I think this much is enough for this. Yeah. So the question comes factorize it. So how do I factorize it? Here you see 9 is a perfect square of 3. So I'll write it as 3x whole square. Okay, it was only 9x square. Square was with x only. So I made it a perfect square. 9 go. Then 4 is a perfect square of 2. So 2y whole square. 16 is a perfect square of 4. So 4z whole square. Now the identity is plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Let's see. Plus 2 into a is what? 3x into 2y. Check कर लीजिए, you are getting that 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, xy. Yeah, very correct. यहाँ पे तो minus sign आ गया and I have to take care of that. My identity is plus only. I'll take it plus only. Then 2 into b into c. Okay, that's 2 into b into c. I'll talk about the negative sign later. So 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, yz is there. Then plus 2 into a into c. Okay, now 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24, xz, but now negative sign. If you see now, negative is coming when you have z term. Yes, negative is coming with both the z term. So can I make it as negative here? Minus 4z ka square is plus 16 only. Negative number ka square is always positive. And here with this, if I put a negative sign, I will get negative. Yes or no? Is that clear or no, everyone? So now I can write it as 3x plus 2y minus 4z whole square. So that's a factor. Okay. Is that clear or no? A square, b square, c square. But c is with a negative sign over here. Fine. So I have seen now what do you have to check कि negative कहाँ पे आ रहा है. हमेशा you will get negative in two places, either in these two places. I'll write it over here. Suppose I'll try to explain it here also. Suppose negative इन दोनों के साथ होता, यहाँ plus होता. Fine. Negative is with this. So what variable is repeating in these two? X. So negative आपको you have to put negative with what? X वाला terms के साथ. Okay. Now suppose negative was with these two. So negative is repeating with which variable? Let's see. Y जहाँ पे है negative वहाँ पे आ रहा है. तो with the y1 you put the negative sign. Clear? I hope this is clear, students. Yeah. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 2. So in this question number 2, you are given with a square plus b square plus c square is 16. ab plus bc plus ca is 10. You need to find out the value of a plus b plus c. How do we do it? ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस सी स्क्वायर आ रहा है तो इसका मतलब आइडेंटिटी तो वही है ए प्लस बी प्लस सी होल स्क्वायर. लेट्स राइट द आइडेंटिटी a plus b plus c whole square. What is identity? It's a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. अभी यहाँ पे if you see what is given in the question to you, question में इसका value given है, yes or no? And how do you get the value of this? यहाँ पे values put करो, इसको square root करोगे, you will get it. Yeah. So let's put the value of this as 16. Now the value of AB, BC, CA, the sum of these is given, but यहाँ पे इनके साथ सबके साथ क्या है? 2. Can I take 2 common from all these? Because they all have 2 with them. So I will take 2 common. Okay student, क्या किया मैंने यहाँ पे? What have I done? I have taken this 2 common. Because the 2 was in all the 3 terms. When you take 2 common, you're left with AB, BC, CA. Now 16 plus 2 multiplied by क्या value दिया हुआ है इनका? It is 10. So let's put the value as 10. So what is that? 16 plus 2 into 10 is 20. I got 20. So what is 16 plus 20? It's 36. This is a plus b plus c whole square. अभी a square अगर कुछ भी दिया होता है 100 let's say, क्या करते हो? Square root of 100 निकालते हो ना? So same thing here also. So what will be a plus b plus c? It will be square root of 36, which will be plus minus 6. So आपका a plus b plus c का value क्या आया? या तो plus 6 है या minus 6 है. Okay. Whenever we remove square root, we say plus minus 6. It could be minus also because plus 6 का square भी 36 होता है. ओके और -6 का स्क्वायर भी 36 होता है. Is that okay, students? Should I move to the next question? Next question also, if you see, is similar to the second question only. Same identity, but we need to find out something else in the identity. Okay. So I'll just write a plus b whole square. पहले क्या होता है? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Let's read what is given the question. A plus b 9 given है. Fine. Again this ab plus bc plus ca is 26. You need to find out this now. क्या find out करना है आपको? You have to find out this thing. Let's put the values whatever are given. A plus b plus c 9, so 9 square. Let's keep this as it is. 2 common. AB plus BC plus CA. This is 81. Let's keep this as it is. And it will be what? 2 into 26. What is 2 into 26? 52. This is 81. I'll just have to do what now? Transposition. Bring 52 on another side. So a square plus b square plus c square is 81 minus 52, which is how much? 9. 29 is your answer. I hope this is clear, students. What you have to do is revise the identity very well, because the last identity, this is the second last one, and the last identity. These two identities are very important in this chapter. Okay, so you will have 4 marker or 5 marker or 3 marker from this chapter. This topic can come. Okay, very important topic. So remember the identity, and using the identity only you have to take care of negative sign when they ask you to factorize. Okay, and using the identity only you have to just work on transposition and see what you have to find, what you have to do. Okay, I hope this is clear. Next video I'll come up with the last identity and I'll show how to do few questions which are based on that identity, also with combination with this identity also. Okay, okay, then see you. If you understood the concept, do like the video. Thank you for watching the video.